Welcome to Washington State University Tri-Cities, a top-ranked public research university known for STEM programs, exceptional hands-on, career-relevant learning experiences, and a tight-knit community where you will feel right at home.
WSU Tri-Cities is located along the beautiful Columbia River in the diverse and growing Tri-Cities. Not only does it present an ideal location to study and enjoy the views, but our location presents fantastic opportunities for internships and partnerships with companies for projects in the classroom.
Well known for our STEM programs, of which some include engineering, biology, computer science, nursing, and wine science, WSU Tri-Cities also offers a variety of liberal arts programs ranging from psychology to business to education to digital technology and culture and more.
Our programs are crafted and built to serve regional needs, meaning your degree will help you get a job after you graduate. Plus, you'll learn from world-class, award-winning professors who are top-ranked in their fields, all in excellent facilities.
Doesn't get better than that. To check out a full list of degree programs offered at WSU Tri-Cities, visit tricities.wsu.edu/degree-offerings.
Be sure to check out our newly completed academic building, Collaboration Hall. It features state-of-the-art teaching laboratories, classroom spaces, study spaces, and a beautiful open atrium.
Visit the Student Union building to hang out, shoot some pool, grab a cup of coffee, and meet student organizations.
As a top-ranked public research university, many of our professors conduct research that contributes to regional needs. For example, in our bioproducts, sciences and engineering laboratory, professors are creating jet fuel from materials like sawdust and recycled plastics. And our St. Michel Wine Estates WSU Wine Science Center, one of only a few of its kind in the world, researchers are studying how to perfect premium wines.
Here at WSU Tri-Cities, 50% of our students don't pay for any out-of-pocket expenses for tuition. What does that mean? You could be a student that doesn't pay a cent for your education. Just make sure to submit your WSU Tri-Cities admissions application by November 15th for spring or January 31st for fall to ensure that you are eligible for merit-based academic awards. You should also be sure to fill out the free application for federal student aid, also known as the FAFSA, by January 31st to ensure that you are eligible for the most aid possible. This is a very important application to complete. If you don't qualify for federal financial aid, such as if you are a Dreamer student, be sure to fill out the Washington State application for state financial aid, also known as the WSPA, by January 31st.
WSU also offers its own scholarship application. Make sure to fill that out by January 31st. It is only open once per year. After hearing all these dates and deadlines, you're probably sensing a theme. The date for most of our applications is January 31st. That is done on purpose to make sure the process is as easy as possible. Have questions about financial aid? Our admissions and financial aid teams are standing by to help you, including to help offer and filling out those applications. Set up an appointment and we are here for you.
We offer a range of support resources built specifically for you to help ensure your success. Located in our newly renovated Learning Commons, students have access to academic advising, tutoring, a writing center, career services, and TRIO student success programs. TRIO is a program built specifically to serve students who are first-generation college students, come from a low-income background, or have a documented disability.
In addition to more traditionally academic-focused programs, we offer a range of services and programs that provide a welcoming and lively student environment on campus. Access the Den, our on-campus gym, for student recreation and fitness opportunities. Access the Cougar Cupboard, our on-campus food pantry sponsored by Lamb Weston, for access to free, fresh, and prepackaged food for you and your family. Are you a military veteran or plan to attend WSU Tri-Cities after serving in the military? Check out our Veterans Center, which was recently renovated and serves as a great place to relax and get access to veterans resources and more.
At WSU Tri-Cities, we take pride in that we're a home for all types of students from all types of backgrounds. We have an incredibly diverse population of students. Nearly half of our students are students of color, and we have a range of clubs and student organizations that celebrate various cultures and backgrounds. Access the WSU Tri-Cities Mosaic Center for Student Inclusion, which presents opportunities to learn, connect, discuss, and collaborate on projects and presentations regarding different cultures, identities, and perspectives.
Counseling Services offers free one-on-one counseling and a range of activities and programs for students focusing on mental health and wellness.
We have worked hard to ensure a safe classroom and on-campus experience for our students. In order to offer in-person experiences, we make sure to abide by the latest COVID-19 requirements and guidelines as outlined by our Washington State Department of Health, the CDC, and the Washington State University system. Once admitted to WSU Tri-Cities, students must submit proof of COVID-19 vaccination or a medical or religious exemption via the WSU Cougar Health Services website at cougarhealth.wsu.edu.
Are you ready to apply to WSU Tri-Cities? We are here to help. And as a reminder, SAT and ACT scores are no longer required for admission to WSU Tri-Cities.
If you are looking to apply as a future freshman or transfer student, make sure to submit your WSU Tri-Cities admissions application by November 15th for spring or by January 31st for fall. We have rolling admission, meaning you can submit your application after these dates. However, you should try to apply by these dates to ensure that you are eligible for merit-based awards, which are free funds awarded based on your GPA. To apply, visit tricities.wsu.edu/apply.
We also encourage you to visit us on campus. Campus tours are offered for free Monday through Friday. To sign up for a campus tour, visit tricities.wsu.edu/visit.
Thanks for joining us today, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. We are here as a resource for you on your college selection journey. Go Cougs!